Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change an iCloud account on iPhone. Alright, so first up, you gotta find the settings app, tap on it. Once done, just gotta tap on your Apple account, iCloud. Okay. And then once that's done, gotta scroll all the way down and you will find the sign out button. Alright, so before you do this, listen closely. Data synced to the old iCloud account, such as your photos or iCloud photos, iCloud Drive files, will be removed from the phone unless you download it beforehand. And your device's passcode may be required to access saved local data. Okay, so if you're really sure, if you want to change your account, so just gotta tap on sign out right here. Wait a bit. Now it will ask you to enter your password. So go ahead and enter or write down your password. And then once that's done, go ahead and tap on the done button right here at the very bottom. You won't be able to see it, okay, because I'm currently mirroring it. Okay, just click on done once you type down your password. And after that, as you can see here, the sign out button has now been grayed out. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and keep a copy of your data on this phone. For example, your calendars, contacts, health, keychains, Safari, stocks, or whatever. Just enable it all and you'll be able to retrieve it afterwards once you log into the same exact Apple ID. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on sign out at the very top. Sign out. It may take some time right here as it's copying iCloud data or some iCloud data. Okay, so just wait a bit. And then once that's done, as you can see here, it now asks you to enter an Apple account or an iCloud account right here. There you have it. You can either go and tap on this option, and then you can use another device or sign in manually. Or if you want to create one or another Apple account, go ahead and select this option. Okay. So just sign in right here, hit on continue, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. That's how easy it is to change an iCloud account on iPhone. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.